The truth about Monroe, Louisiana court systems, they literally force plea deals and force trials on innocent defendants without their consent. Every time an innocent defendant keeps saying, I did not commit the crime, there's no video footage of me committing a particular crime against another individual, these law attorneys do not understand English. And the people that teamed up with law attorneys, whether it's a fucking cockroach pig ass European white dude, that just be like, oh, I had you written up for trial. Like, bitch, you didn't even, the defendants, they did not even give consent to do that, because that's going against the rights of a defendant. If you force a plea deal and you force a trial on an innocent defendant, especially if it's a male, especially if the male is dark skinned, and the law attorney the law attorney and the judge in the courthouse, they know that innocent defendant has been going to court for a year for a crime they never did. And the judges and the courthouse people and the DAs, they force trial on an innocent defendant. Bro, that's going against the defendant's rights. You basically force a plea deal in a fucking trial without the defendant's this consent, bro. And that's why these courthouse systems in the country of USA is evil. That's why a lot of individuals are leaving USA. That's why a lot of other countries don't have respect for USA. Why you think that now? Because the USA court system is the most corrupted court systems in all of planet Earth. We know this. The second worst courthouse system is United Kingdom, and third is Canada, right? They're USA, Canada, United Kingdom are all Western countries. Bro, the courthouse systems in the African countries, they not messed up at all. But these courthouse systems in USA, they're the most messed up ones, especially in Louisiana, right? Because a lot of the law attorneys, the judges, the dirty ass fucking DA people, they literally force plea deals and forcing fines and forcing trials on defendants without the defendant's consent. And that's disrespectful, and that's defamation of character. Let me tell you this. If I told you that a law attorney and a judge and a DA system have forced a plea deal or a trial on me without my consent, will you believe it? Will you believe it? What if I told you all that? You all will flip out. You know me, when I was going to court for like over a year for a situation that was never my fault, I never committed a fucking crime, because there's no video footage of proof of me committing the crime against another individual, right? You know, I had defamation of character placed on me without my consent when it came to trials and plea deals, right? I'm like, that's fucking wrong, bro. I should sue these damn people. You know, ever for like a year, from 2022 all the way up to 2023, right? I literally could not be my actual self. I was going through a lot of fucking emotional abuse from an evil ass court system all the way from 2022 to 2023. That's why I was never really fully myself. I was never like the vibrant person that I normally am, because of the fucking court issues I went through out in Monroe, Louisiana, with an evil ass law attorney, an evil ass courthouse DA system that's believing the lies of another fucking female that had a fucking male name on a paperwork that lives in a whole nother state. And I'm like, why the fuck am I going to court for a person that lives in a whole nother state? And the law attorneys, they did not try to let me speak. They overtalked me. The judge overtalked me. And I'm like, bro, y'all really bullshitting right now? Like, Monroe, Louisiana court system is evil as fuck. Like, come on, man. Monroe, Louisiana court system has been known to do defamation of character towards male defendants. They've been doing that since the courthouse system has been invented. You know, if you don't know, the courthouse system always make up lies about defendants. They do a lot of manipulation behind the scenes, bro. They do this shit all the fucking time, bro. My law attorney did defamation of character towards me. I'm not going to say her name. I mean, because everything's going to come to the light. I'm just letting you all know out there for you to share this message on TikTok, Instagram, all the social media platforms. Because this shit needs to be known. The evil courthouse system in Monroe, Louisiana, it needs new people. It needs new fucking people. It needs some spiritual people to be at the courthouse system. I'm going to tell you this. If there's no video footage of an individual committed a murder, they don't need to be in trouble. They don't need to be in trouble. If there's no video footage of proof of this shit, man. If there's no video footage of a female raping a male or a male raping a female, and there's no video proof of that, there's no video proof of a female harassing a male or a male harassing a female, and there's no video proof of that, the defendant should not be getting in trouble and have plea deals and have like trials forced on them without their consent, bro. That shit is fucking lame. That's why Monroe, Louisiana court system is the worst court system in all of USA. It's the worst court system in all of planet Earth. These are all facts. This is not an opinion. This is all fucking facts. This shit was making me mad every damn day. You know how much I had to contain myself not to like fucking flash out and commit suicide? Do you know how much power it took me to not do that? That was fucking painful. That was fucking painful, bro. And like, fuck all you evil ass females who be making up lies about male defendants, about raping you when there's no video footage or proof of that. And you had a courthouse system believing your lies and having defamation of character towards a male defendant, going to court for you when you lied on the male's name. That's fucking evil as shit. And especially if I told you that there was a female that had a male name, right? Named Daniel Dick, right? Which is a male name, and it has female on the paperwork. And they made up lies about me raping them, harassing them, when I never did that shit, and there's no video proof about it, and they live in a whole nother fucking state. You know that's crazy, right? Because that happened to me. That happened to me. And I should sue that damn evil ass woman. Or he, she, if it's a transgender. Because it had a fucking male name on a paperwork. That's how I know the shit that I was going through was a bunch of fucking lies made up by a he, she. Because it had a male name on the paperwork, but it says female on the fucking gender thing. That's how I know the court system was fucking with me, wasting my damn time, causing me emotional abuse. I should sue the Monroe, Louisiana court for that damn defamation of character. I should sue my law attorney. I should sue everybody. I should sue the whole Monroe, Louisiana court system for having defamation of character towards me for some bullshit lies that a fucking female made towards me, or a he, she. Because it had, bro, the name Daniel, the last name, Daniel Dick, right? That's a male name. So why the fuck I'm going to court for a person that don't even exist, or probably living in a whole nother fucking state? That's fucked up on all levels. That's very fucked up. Defamation of an innocent defendant is going against their rights, and the court system should be sued.